Hello. So today we are doing this Leetcode problem, largest triangle area. And the problem says that we have a list of points in the plane, and we want to return the area of the largest triangle that can be formed by any of the 3 points, right? So the 3 points is we get a list of points, and we need to find the largest triangle formed by any of these 3 points, right? So here's the example. We are given that the list is either equal or above 3, so that simplifies the use cases. Points can be negative. And yeah, so that's the problem. So for this problem, we can just do brute force. Actually, we don't need to think about any clever way of doing things. So brute force works here. So the first thing we need to know is to calculate the area of a triangle of 3 points. The formula is very simple. It's just it's going to be equal to ax, so the x value multiplied by by minus cy plus so by is just like the y coordinate of b. Same thing for c, and ax is just the x coordinate of a. And then bx multiplied by cy minus ay, and then cx multiplied by ay minus by, and the entire thing divided by 2. And we will need to take the absolute value here. So that would be something like this. Yeah, so let's do this one. So let's calculate this. So we get these points. So we can just return. So we need to do this of ax, so a0 multiplied by, let me just copy this and go from there. And then divide by 2. Good. And so we just need to replace this with something that would work. 1, 1, 0 multiplied by 1. And okay. And now, in order to get the solution, we could just get all the triples or the points. So let's say triples, and that's combination. So Python has this handy method called if in itertools. So if we import itertools, or just from itertools import combinations. So it gives us the combination of whatever we pass as error. Error is how many values each combinations contain, and the iterable is the list the combination would be formed from. And so we could just give it all the list of points and the value 3, so that we get all the combinations of 3 values in the list of points. So let's import this first. We want from point, and we want all 3 combinations. And we need a max area to find that. And so we can just go through each one and calculate the max area. And we can do this to triple is a list, so it's just so that it can be passed as 3 points to the function here. So that will be triple, and we can just return x area. So let's see if this passes. Okay, it does. Let's see. Okay, so we have a success here. So another thing we can do is just simplify the solution a little bit. So instead of doing the for loop, we can use Python's max that can accept a list. And instead of applying the function like this, we could just apply it like a map. So the way we can do that is we can just right away return and do max, since that's the final result that we want. And for each 3 points, we want to apply area. So let's just have a function called area that takes x here, map that, and this should give us the same result. Okay. Okay, so that solution passes. That's it for now. See you next time. Bye.